I am going to be making some stickers today with an inkjet printer. I am using the Koala gold vinyl sticker paper. I'll have links below. For these Koala gold glossy stickers, I am going to be using an inkjet printer, and I'm going to be using the print and cut feature. So I have uploaded my designs. I thought black would look really nice on these gold stickers. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go and get these cut. So I am going to go under preferences here. And I am going to look for a glossy photo paper glossy, ultimate premium. Let's see. I'll just use photo paper glossy here, and I'm going to do high quality, and I'm going to turn my bidirectional off or high speed off. And under image options, I am going to choose emphasize more and emphasize thin lines. And now I can get this printed. So I'm going to hit OK and print. My print is almost done. All right, let's get this started. These cut very well. Oh, they have very good quality to them. So let's get this on something and try it out. The quality is very good of these Koala sticker paper. It is just amazing. I love how they turned out. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me